Get ready with me as I use my favorite famous TikTok beauty products. Hashtag LazBeautyBudol. First, I make sure to prep my skin because it's important to take care of your skin first. I am obsessed with Issy & Co.'s Booster Serum and Hydrating and Soothing Drop. So I use a serum and primer in one which contains ingredients that hydrate and soothe my skin to give me that glowy base. Next is a cult favorite. It's the Maybelline Instant Age Rewind 2-in-1 Concealer and Treatment with antioxidant and haloxyl. And this is perfect for Filipina skin tones to conceal blemishes and fine lines to achieve that fresh look. Another staple is Issy & Co.'s Active Skin Tint with SPF 35, which is very important because you need sunscreen. So it's a lightweight base with niacinamide and SPF for that second skin finish. Another one that I've been seeing all over TikTok is Happy Skin's Dew Aqua Cooling Setting Powder. It gives that blurring effect to my skin and sets my makeup without making it look cakey. It also contains hyaluronic acid, silica, and anti-blue light technology to deflect damaging light produced by digital devices. My lips are usually dry even though I drink a lot of water. That's why Happy Skin's Second Skin Tinted Lip Treatment Oil in Reset just blew my mind because it's infused with hyaluronic acid and moisturizing ingredients to leave your lips plump and moisturized. Lastly, I finished up with the Close Flame PLC spray powered by coconut water to hydrate and restore skin's elasticity. And this is the finished look.
Feeling like Jericho.